Welcome to our video on non-toxic makeup. We will explore what non-toxic makeup is, why it's important, and how to choose and use it. Let's get started. What is non-toxic makeup? Non-toxic makeup is made without harmful ingredients. It is designed to be safe for your skin and health. It also helps the environment. Benefits include less skin irritation, better skin health, and a greener beauty routine. Common toxic ingredients to avoid. It's important to know what to avoid in makeup. Parabens can disrupt hormones and are linked to cancer. Phthalates are harmful to reproduction and development. Formaldehyde is a carcinogen that can cause respiratory issues. Synthetic fragrances can contain many harmful chemicals. How to choose non-toxic makeup. Reading labels. Reading labels is key to choosing non-toxic makeup. Look for certifications like Certified Organic, which means no synthetic chemicals. Cruelty-free means no animal testing. Toxin-free labels ensure the product is free from harmful chemicals. Non-toxic makeup brands. Several brands are known for their non-toxic makeup. RMS Beauty offers organic and luxurious products. Ilia Beauty combines vibrant pigments with nourishing ingredients. Vapor Beauty focuses on sustainability. W3LL People makes plant-powered makeup. Tips for applying non-toxic makeup. Applying non-toxic makeup needs some tips. Start with a clean, moisturized face. Use quality brushes or applicators. Experiment with colors and textures to find your perfect look. Makeup techniques and tutorials. Learning techniques can improve your makeup skills. Blending is crucial for a seamless look. Understanding color theory helps in choosing the right shades. Tutorials can teach you how to contour, highlight, and create special occasion looks. Allergies and sensitivities. If you have allergies, choose products carefully. Identify your sensitivities and read labels to avoid allergens. Consult a dermatologist if needed. Many non-toxic products are made for sensitive skin.